Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So in today's episode, I want to bring back childhood memories, right? And this drink should bring back childhood memories of chasing down an ice cream truck and getting a creamsicle. Remember how a creamsicle tastes? Well, we're going to try to do that right now, right? So this drink is called the Definitely Maybe. Right? So it definitely maybe tastes like a creamsicle or maybe not. We're going to see. We're going to try. All right? Together. All right, here we go. First, we're going to go with 1 ounce of a mezcal. Next, we're going to go with a 1/2 ounce of this Dolin Genepy. That is, the kissing cousin of green charcuterie, but it actually calls for this, not chartreuse. I'm sorry, I said charcuterie. Chartreuse. It actually called for this recipe. But anyway, just 1/2 ounce. Next, we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And next, go with 1 ounce of orange juice, preferably freshly squeezed. And this was freshly squeezed into this bottle by this company, not by me. 1 ounce. Next, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of a mint simple syrup. This is homemade. 1 part sugar, 1 part water. Heat it up, dissolve the water. Then add mint, let it sit. I let mine sit for overnight. The more mint, the more flavor you get. So I did a nice amount of mint. Anyway, 1/2 ounce of mint simple syrup. Then we're gonna go with 2 dashes of your Angostura bitters. Just 2 dashes. My dashes never work right either. 1, 2. A little bit better. Just give it just a little quick stir. Then I'm gonna add some ice. And I'm gonna stir the chill. All right. Again, you can use a shaker cup if you want, but I think visually it looks better stirring it in a glass for the cameras. So I'm just stirring it to chill. We're gonna pour it in a rocks glass with ice in it. My curiosity is there, like, does it taste like a creamsicle? Because I haven't tried this yet. But you can smell it. It actually kind of has that scent to it. I'm excited. Strain it into our rocks glass with ice in it already. There you have it. A definitely maybe. Let's see if it invokes childhood dreams of creamsicle. It's funny how these combinations don't make sense on paper to work. I'm not saying you're going to bite into this and it's like, oh my God, it's a creamsicle. Oh, no. You taste it in it. It doesn't completely engulf it where you just taste it cream, but you see the flavor there. This is another winner. Definite, maybe? No, it's definitely for sure. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next, guys. Cheers. Enjoy this.